Welcome to the Jesse Canaruti Show. We sit down with inspiring people across America to share the stories behind their success so you can grow and win too. New episodes weekly.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Jesse Canaruti Show. This is where we tell stories about people who came to America with big dreams and fierce determination. Today's guest started with $200 and one suitcase. He cleaned offices at night while the city slept, but today, he owns 3 thriving restaurants. Please welcome Carlos Mendoza. Carlos, thank you for being here today.
Thank you, Jesse. I'm honored to share my story.
Let's start at the very beginning. When did you arrive in America?
I was 22 years old, one suitcase, $200. That was everything I had.
$200 doesn't go very far.
No. I slept on a friend's couch for 6 months. I knew maybe 5 people. My English was terrible.
What was your first job?
I cleaned office buildings, the night shift, 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. I remember the silence, just me, the vacuum cleaner, and empty desks.
That sounds incredibly exhausting.
It was brutal. But here's the thing. During the day, I studied English at the library. Then I worked in a small restaurant kitchen, prep work mostly, chopping vegetables.
So you worked 2 jobs?
Yes, cleaning at night, cooking during the day. Sleep, maybe 4 hours if I was lucky.
When did things start to shift for you?
One day, the restaurant owner pulled me aside. He said, "Carlos, I want you to cook something special, something from your family."
What did you make?
My grandmother's recipe. Mole poblano. It took me 6 hours to prepare.
How did customers react?
We sold out. Every single plate. The next day, people came back asking for it again.
That must have felt incredible.
You know what hit me? For the first time, I thought, maybe I can open my own restaurant someday. But opening a restaurant requires serious capital. Exactly. So I saved every dollar. For 8 years. 8 years! Determination isn't a sprint, Jesse. It's patience. It's discipline. It's saying no to 1,000 small pleasures so you can say yes to one big dream.
Tell us about opening day, the day you finally opened your first restaurant.
I was terrified. I kept thinking, what if nobody comes? What if I just wasted 8 years?
Did people come?
The line. It went around the corner. We ran out of chairs. People stood. They waited.
Wow!
I remember standing in the kitchen, looking through that little window at all those people, and I just broke down. I cried.
Happy tears?
The happiest. Because in that moment, I saw the night cleaner, the kid with $200, the one who thought he wasn't enough, and I wanted to tell him, "You made it. You actually made it."
Carlos, what advice would you give to someone chasing their dream right now?
Don't rush success. Work hard every single day. Small steps become big results. That's not a cliché. It's the truth.
Powerful advice. Thank you for sharing your story with us.
Thank you, Jesse.
And thank you to everyone listening. Remember, determination can change your life, but it takes time, patience, and unwavering belief. That wraps up this episode of the Jesse Canaruti Show. Tune in next week as we continue with another inspiring interview. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it and hit the bell icon to get notifications when new episodes drop every Monday. In the comments below, tell me, what most interests you and what would you like to learn about? We have 52 weeks of interviews planned and they have been flying by. Now, I want to make sure we cover the topics you're most interested in. Don't forget, drop a comment below, and be sure to drop back in with us. See you next week.
Stay tuned for next week's episode. This is the Jesse Canaruti Show.